Hello everybody, we are doing a live wig show today, so I'm going to show you a couple of wigs that we have here in store. We're fully in stock of a lot of our different textures, so we're just going to go around the store and show you what we do have. We also have bundled here as well. So right here is the Kinky Straight texture. So we have length 16 to 24 in our Kinky Straight available in store. We also have Kinky Curly custom colored and natural color, so definitely come shop with us if you're interested in that. We also have deep body wave bundle here and wavy bundle here in stock. So if you're looking for some bundles, definitely come shop with us. We have the best in town. Look at our blondes. We have ash blondes. We also have wavy wigs in stock. So our wavy wigs are fully in stock from lengths 10 to 26. We're fully in stock with our wavies. We have custom colored wavies, we have natural color wavies, we have blonde wavies. We're fully in stock, so definitely come in and shop with us. We are having a big Christmas sale, so if you were waiting to purchase a unit, this is the time to get it now. It's our last sale of the year. It is a Christmas sale, so definitely shop with us and purchase some of the beautiful units for the new year, Christmas wigs. We got it. So we also have straight hair. We have straight hair length 10 to 26 right now in store. We have them custom colored. We have natural. We have everything that you're looking for. We have 613 hair. We have copper hair. We have everything that you're looking for. We have it in stock. We also have deep body wave here. We have deep body wave lengths 14 to 24 in stock. We have it in a variety of different colors, lengths, different textures, curl patterns, so definitely come in and shop with us. We have beautiful, beautiful, beautiful deep body wave here. We have it in custom color, so definitely come and shop with us. All different colors. So we have coppers, we have reds, we have blondes, all these different colors, so definitely come in and shop with us today. Let us know if you want to see anything in particular. We're just going to go over a couple of units so you guys can see what we have in store. And we're constantly getting a new flow of units, so about every 2 weeks we get a constant flow of new units, new orders, and all of that. We do offer medical reimbursement. So if you're having a hair loss problem, for any problem with hair loss, you can go get a prescription for a cranial prosthesis. You can get a medical wig free of charge through your insurance. So if you are experiencing hair loss, definitely come to us so we can help you with your paperwork, so we can get you a medical wig covered by your insurance. We have a lot of beautiful units. As you can see, these are beautiful blondes. All of these wigs are available in store here at Magic Hair Company. This is a beautiful deep body wave. As you guys can see, this one is freshly washed. Look at the parting in here. So we always have a nice and natural hairline with a lot of parting. Baby hairs all around the perimeter. So you guys can see that. And the parting goes back 6 inches. So you can change the parting in the front, back 6 inches in the wig. Let me part it clearly for y'all so y'all can see. But a 6-inch part. And this is a beautiful deep body wave texture. This one is available in store. It's 18 inches. And she's available in store. So definitely shop with us. We are having a sale. So definitely shop with us if you're interested in purchasing a wig. We have a variety of different textures and lengths. So this one is a freshly curled burgundy unit. As you can see, it's really nice and it has bangs. Look at the parting on there, really nice parting and scalp. We also have shorter curly units. So if you want something short, we have those as well. We have straight unit 16 to 26 right now in store. This is a wavy unit that we just put a crimp in. This is a cute one. And this one you can really tell the parting, how the parting looks. The parting is really nice on this one. And like I said, you can switch the parting up 6 inches. So you can definitely, let me clean it up. Part 6 inches in the unit anywhere. And then we also have a nice natural hairline. So the hairline is always nice and natural on all the units here purchased at Magic Hair Company. So if you're looking for a unit, you could definitely purchase here with us. We went over a couple of different units that we have in store. All of these units are available. So if you see something that you like, shoot us a message and we'll reply back to you with the price and an invoice. We're open from Monday through Saturday from 10:30 to 6 by appointment preferred. So definitely give us a call or stop by so we can get you into a custom wig of your dreams. Thank you for watching. We'll see you soon.